The Ghana Premier League match day 14 on Baso Babara Sports Stadium. Peter Newton Lartey. I am the probable 11 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na probable 11 way I likely say on best starting game no against Accra House of Folk. Kwasiada no mies and or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Newton analysis no Kesben FM so abrana on say Joe atnase mid for action no so pacho yenko na yenko Newton the first 11 for Krobia against Hasselhoek.
Dance in Soweto Derby, Yakazama Lekini Ali, everyone Egypt. But I keep saying, say, Oba Yansu Diemwa, Hasselhoek and Kotoko, only a very strong power. And then on Yama be Kakra. But every time a two teams will one or referee for the big crab catcher, General Dow interview, referee Sean or say, we be sharing this soon and this in it, and we Hasselhoek name Kotoko games and Yama Dibani Biano. It's a big game. Now, those are probable lineup if we move from the two teams. For Hasselhoek, I'm going to go home. Richmond I and a better go post. Dennis Corsane, Michael and Petu, about 2 and 3. Deep laterals. Omanimo no and answer Omumi no Finfino, Obenya, Kevin Osasibe, and Kofi Aguesima. Omi are very consistent and open consistency amongst our Hasselhoek players or more Bochonwa. Apart from the band, Onya and Shaki in one of Kofi Aguesima and Kevin Osasibe. Those two players, every time, even though Omunya strong to main understanding of central defensive pairing, Omunya show that strong attribute, but getting upon here against Kotoko, I don't think he's prepared. Those two central defenders, Osasibe and Kofi Aguesima, Omanimu pair, the best defensive midfielder in the game right now, Ghana, Jordan Utanga for Hasselhoek, and none of Makasame the battle on the Richmond team, and none of the Meko Stadium first person. It's just going to be a real war between Otanga and Richmond team. Otanga, Salif Ibrahim and Akarikari, former player of Asekem, Omi and the Freeman midfield. In the final third, Ubenya Inokasi Bonten, Ubenya Kane Ramos, Ewohonmo Wanet, Rababenya Hamza Isa, Aubeli D line in the 4-3-3. Hasselhoek Ababa PM Ababa no mun defend. For Kotoko, me say me call for Frederick Asare over Danlad for various reasons. And one of the reasons, and I say, anytime Biana Danlad Ebebano, people feel say as I said Danlad game na ye koso as I say Owini. It is a error be backfield and so. Department be a shaking poa, no more share Danlad, or more share a bassa at the pressure and bread and lad power. Now all those games in Osono, Kotoko. This game is so special. I face for composure, confidence, I'll be going for Frederick Asare. Okay. Now, Frederick, the back three has worked miracles for Dr. Ogum ever since switching from the back four. So Nuruddin, Ansu Henry, and a Justice Blade, but boy Geronimo in a 3-man back line. Omanim Sharif Mohammed, the midfielder, because Kotoko Sharif Minu, Omunina also Sai Mohammed. So the midfielder no, and I'm the Omanim as a lone pivot. Number in Morrison, Augustine Japan as a full wing backs in Chenin Chow, Narish Lamti Ejra Sharif and him. In the final third,
drop it, the usual wing back.
Yes.
Probable Augustine Japan in place of Peter Amidu Akwa.
Okay. But me Peter
Bakwa 5 matches in Augustine Japan mobile.
So we're 3 back. And Peter and me deep. But then
back no Peter Ball.
But the best Hasselhoek is different. Yeah. So me the Peter in the final third. I need Peter in the game against Has, but me here will give no. Or better Has for no. Somebody who can keep the ball, run the defense on, especially the Niscosa area. I'm for Peter Akwan to Mukwala leading line. Me only headache here between Fegi and Kalu Atara, who complements the final third. I don't need me problem.
Isaac upon
the country.
I see.
Yeah. Fringe never gave me a very physical. And so Dr. Manage who you are. I just saw Bebano contem or Bebana shake him because
me here no game me papa. I disagree with you. 2 changes. I think that squad or they have won the last 3 games. That squad should be maintained.
Okay.
Both selection and formation. I will go for that.
Okay.
Because Uhima Peter Amidu is doing well as a wing back.
Yeah.
And Kotoko Pusesibona running at the opponent, and he does it very well. And I also think Isaac Nima as an auxiliary striker
behind the lone striker
has been a revelation. Baba Yaya ma squad ni. On starting.
No.
I see. Squad ni the open a coach ni the open a coach be ya kra.
Na nipa so wusa me.
Okay.
Wusa doctor.
Okay. The crane wakaro. Akoi. You see baby we coach na coach na I'm sure so head the kakra be say watch in the last game now. Played just one holding midfielder. Mohamed Sharif. Sharif. And on board double number 10. That's true. Lartey and Baba Yaya. The front, in the middle guys, who came out there, ball winner and Kasa Sharif. So maybe against us folk midfield, how would Baba Yaya and Lartey so complementing the effort of a year? You may be thinking about double pivot. Okay. Maybe a Bema exercise Kakrama, but I still think there with Baba Yaya, Lartey and Sharif, it works so well, and I would want to see him maintain them.
Okay. I didn't quite say. About Baba Yaya, about Lartey. Off the ball, well, you see two. Born in Kotoko, well, you see two.
Lartey in his recent games.
Against a resilient as a folk, Lartey winning ball back here. Not just ordering a horn, they call my injury. No, he has to wait for the ball near recover. Yeah, you see, but what Oma Lartey defensive job would now the 9 women out there, or they cross him. So Baba Yaya Lartey to 2 badia has a bear has it. A bear has it because of the ball, team no very shallow. But I want players without the ball on the movie are running at has for us, so every more pressure.
So you yourself Lartey Baba Yaya running.
I'm running, but they don't win balls back. They don't recover.
I'm running and go open it and go try some big ball.
I am not so convinced. I haven't been convinced about the two. I'm defensive work, especially Baba Yaya. Especially Baba Yaya.
Ask Newton for me if he